Everyone, I'm Constance.
But it's both easy and convenient. Step 1. The packaging your small
Hi, my name is Caleb, and I've been part of the Chamberlain family since 2023 at the paint department. Today, I'll tell you about our paint mixing service that we provide at all Chamberlain stores across Gauteng. Finding the right color always makes a difference when transforming your space. And here at Chamberlain, we make it quick, easy, and hassle-free. With over 15,000 colors to choose from, you have endless possibilities to bring your vision to life. Need a perfect color match? No problem, we've got you. Bring in any household item, whether it may be your favorite teacup, cushions, curtains, or even painted substrates. And our experts at the paint department will recreate the shade you want. Beyond just color, choosing the right type of paint is essential. Our knowledgeable team is always available to guide you with all your paint inquiries. We have the perfect solution, and our paint mixing service is ideal for all projects, big or small. Do not settle for off-the-shelf shades when you can have a color that is uniquely yours. Visit your nearest Chamberlain store today and let us mix the perfect paint for you. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.